What's up, guys? So today I'm coming at you with another video for anyone interested in starting affiliate marketing in 2018, and I just created a list of 7 actual steps that you can take to make your first affiliate marketing sales today. And yeah, let's hop right into it. So step number 1 is going to be to choose a niche, and I wrote down some things that you want to think about when you are actually choosing a niche and what you actually want to do and look for. So the first question you should ask yourself is, what topics are you passionate about? For me, I am really passionate into sports and fitness and health. So if I was just starting out, I would want to choose my niche and basically create and promote offers around the health, sports, and nutrition niche. Also, you want to ask yourself, is there any money in this niche? And is it an evergreen niche? Meaning, is there going to be any profits from you promoting any offers? You don't want to waste your time by creating campaigns or creating a website and you're not making any return on your investment. So that's another tip that you really want to take into consideration is there any money in the niche? The third question I would ask yourself if you wanted to, when choosing a niche, is what topic could you see yourself writing 25, 50, or 100 blog posts about? Because the way I'm doing my affiliate marketing, the way that I believe is the best, is you want to create a website because you want to build a brand. You don't want to just send a customer to an offer that you get off of a affiliate program, and that's it. You want to create some sort of trust and a brand so that that customer, if they do decide to buy the product, can come back to you again and again, month after month, year after year, and that just create some sort of recognition for yourself and for your brand. So in order to do that, you're gonna have to write and create a lot of content around a certain niche. So you want to make sure that you're knowledgeable and passionate about that niche, and you can write a lot of blog posts about it. The fourth question I would ask myself is there enough interest or demand for products in that niche? Like I said, if you choose a niche where there's not a lot of demand, then ultimately there's not going to be a lot of sales. You're going to not be happy at the end of the day. So you want to choose a product and a niche that has a lot of demand and it's very high in demand. Just make sure you do your research, and you can easily find out if a product has a lot of is high in demand or not. And also, you want to search the affiliate programs in that niche. You don't want to create your website, create blog posts, do all of these, ask all these questions and start, and then when you go to find any affiliate programs, you can't find any because you didn't do any research on the niche, and you come up empty on it. So those are the questions I would ask myself when you're first starting a niche and choosing what niche to promote. So the second step is going to be research affiliate programs. So I pulled up 2 affiliate programs that I use personally, and the first is Amazon Associates. Both of these are free, by the way, to join, and they're really easy to join. You just create an account, and it takes a minute, and then you can pull and promote any offers that are on Amazon. And also, the second affiliate program is ClickBank. ClickBank is also free to join, and as you can see over here in the categories, they have anything from arts, health and fitness, which is one niche that I'm actually in currently, and all sorts of things. So these are 2 that I would suggest you sign up with today. It's easy and it's free, and you can start promoting affiliate offers today after you sign up with those programs. So when you are researching affiliate programs, you want to ask yourself, how much commission are you likely to make from these products. You don't want to make low commissions. I would go for anything that's like 40% or higher. Amazon tends to have lower commission rates, whereas if you promote an offer on ClickBank, you can get higher commissions, and that's what I would lean towards, because you can actually create and get higher returns on your investment when you do like paid advertisements. The next question I would ask is what type of merchants use the program or the affiliate network. So you want to make sure there's actually other affiliate marketers out there who are promoting the product or service and are on the actual affiliate network, because that means that they're actually getting sales and converting. When you go to ClickBank, you can easily do this by just clicking on the advanced search, and then what I like to do is clicking on the gravity score and make sure it's higher than 30. So if I was doing something in the health and fitness niche, I would just do that and then click search, and then it'll pull up all the searches. And as you can see, here's an average sale of $35, $127, $40. So I would choose one of these to promote and go from there. So the third step that you want to do, because what we're trying to do here is build a brand, is we want to build a website, and this is where we're going to send all of our traffic and all of our potential customers. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to buy a domain, and you can do this by going to Namecheap, or you can go to GoDaddy.com. It's pretty easy. It only costs you like $4, maybe $10, somewhere in between there to purchase. And then you're going to want to then set up and purchase a place to host your website. So you can do that through GoDaddy as well, or through places such as Bluehost or HostGator. I personally use Bluehost and HostGator, and they're pretty easy to set up. It's not hard at all. And then you're going to want to install WordPress, which right here is WordPress. And in many cases, for me, with Bluehost and with HostGator, it was included with my purchase. So all I had to do was purchase Bluehost or HostGator, and then WordPress came free. It was a free plugin like download, and I was able to download WordPress and create my website. So after you download WordPress, you're going to want to install a theme for your website, and then you're going to want to create content. So the fourth step is you're going to want to produce excellent content. And what I mean by that is you're going to want to create product reviews, and you're going to want to actually create blog posts that address like a common problem, a question, or issues that are relevant to your target market. So for example, if I were creating if I was promoting a health product where I wanted to get rid of some fat or something like that, then I would create a product review on, let's say, a product that helped you lose weight, and then I would talk about how that addresses the problem, which is being overweight, and then showing a review of that affiliate product. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is just consistently put out informational products. So don't just have like one piece of content on your website. You're going to want to have multiple, and that goes back to what we were talking about at the beginning, which is having like 25, 50, 100 blog posts. It's just showing that you are a leader and you are an authority in a certain niche and brand. So after you do that, you're going to want to build your audience, and a way to do that is to promote your content via social media. So for example, on Facebook, I just pulled an example of like an arts and craft group. If you were to choose this niche, this group has 62,000 members. So if you can only imagine, if you have your website, what I would do is I'll put my website in the cover photo. as well as in the description, you have all this free traffic that can be directed towards your website. And in many cases, this is similar to an email list, because you have 62,000 people in a group where you can target to them anytime that you want to. As well as, I know people who create fan pages on Facebook. So let's say you were doing this arts and crafts, and you can go over to Instagram and create a sort of like a fan page. And as you can see with this one, with the Cavaliers, they have 217,000 followers. So what you would do, and what you could do, is in your bio, in your header, you can put your website, and then just put, like, you can simply just attach your blog post or some unique cool pictures on your Instagram page, and just get traffic, once again, free traffic that way. So those are just some ideas and ways that you can promote your content via social media. You can also write posts on other people's blogs, so you can be a guest on another person's blog and then get the traffic from their blog over to your blog, which is a win-win for both of the authors and creators of the blogs. You also are going to want to build an email list. People really underestimate the power of building an email list. You can retarget to these people once you grow your list many times over. One example someone told me was that for anyone that has an email list, it's like going to the ATM. Whenever you need money, you just send out an email, and you usually get a good percentage of people to convert on that email if there's an offer inside of it. And that's just a way to get quick money, as someone put it to me. And the fourth thing that you're going to want to do is invest in paid advertising. I went over some free ways with like Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, but if you can actually pay for advertising and have paid ads for your like blog posts and stuff and your content, it's just going to expedite and speed up the process, and ultimately get you more sales if you know what you're doing and know who to target, and just how you're going about paying for your advertising. So the sixth thing that we're going to want to do is promote the affiliate offers. Like I said, going to places like ClickBank and Amazon Associates, where you can just go within a certain niche and choose offers and promote them. And after you do that, it's literally just rinse, lather, and repeat. So once you figure out what your niche is, you have some content on your website, and you're running paid advertisements, you figured out who your target audience is and who you're trying to promote to, and you start to see consistent sales, all you got to do is take that same formula, do it again with another offer, and repeat the process over and over again. It's really that simple. I'm going to be documenting my process with my websites that I have. I'm still creating content and working on my websites and fine-tuning everything. But if you guys would be interested in that, I would appreciate if you leave a comment below and just let me know what else you guys want to see on the channel. Also, if you like this video, if you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe also to the channel for new videos coming out every week. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Choky